Adventure today is to get himself to the Xianyang Museum, which is on the outskirts of Xi'an, and using just the symbol right here, which is Chinese for Xianyang Museum. So I finally found the bus station. And then I went to the first ticket thing. She looked at it and said no and waved me to the far right. So I went through a room into another bunch of windows, got in there, and she didn't know. She asked around. She couldn't find out. So she left, closed down her post, the line waiting behind me. Went and found one of the men who I think is a bus driver. He signaled to me to follow him, so I followed him. He took me into a labyrinth behind all of the windows and out to where the buses were. Took me to the right bus, said to the people, this guy's going here, put him on this bus. And then the woman said, no, he's got to have a ticket, so he then led me over to the ticket place and gave him a ticket. Took the money out of my wad of money, paid, got the ticket paid, put me on the bus, and so here I am, and off we are going. We're outside the walls now. The bus station is to the left side of that, but inside the walls. Drivers in general, and bus drivers in particular, are masters in the art of avoiding the inevitable collisions with everything. Now, part of the adventure every day is taking the bus, getting it, taking it, getting back on a bus that'll get you back home. Okay, my bus driver dropped me off here, so somewhere nearby on the other side of the street should be my return bus. Is that museum. So off we go. If I can find something to eat beforehand, I'll do it. Okay, I'm now inside the Xianyang Museum on my passport. This is a tourism chart determining treasures room, whatever that means. Warriors and horses over at the left there. Steles, more steles. Toilet, love it. Exhibition of religious relics. Steles, excellent exhibition. Second exhibition room. Okay. This is an impressive gate. I suggest that it's probably relatively new given this design of that. Those cement angular pieces that rise up as supports seem analogous to metal ones I've seen retrofitted to ensure stability. But this is pretty nevertheless. Here, the first time, incredibly redundant but complex and supportive roof structure there. It looks like that special technique for cantilevering carried to the max. The writings on these large stone drums are the earliest writings on stone, apparently, and they reflect Xi'an hunting stories. The majority of the authentic ones that were found were installed in the Beijing Museum.